Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. So this video will show you how to get one of the best builds out there. The steps to get this build are quite easy. All you have to do is make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end, because I'll be showing you step by step guide to do so. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. The best thing to do if you want to have any build on your device is to go to settings, click on settings. Now scroll down from the settings menu to systems. Once you get here, click on add-ons, and then once you click on add-ons, navigate to your right, then click on unknown sources. Once you click on it, you see this enable it. Once you enable it, move back, and once you get here on the settings menu, click on file manager, and then scroll down and click on add source, then click on none. Then at this point, you have to enter the URL that will allow you to have the build on your device. So just enter this URL. Yes. Then click OK. Triple check the URL and then click OK. Now here you see the name, enter a name for the media source automatically written here. By default, you can change it if you want, but in my case, I'm gonna leave it. Click OK. Back, click on the back button on your remote once. Once you get here, scroll to right to add-ons, then click on it. Once you get here, scroll down and click on install from zip file. And once you get here, choose the name you saved the media source file with. In my case, I use Diggz Xenon. Click on repository.diggz.3. Then wait for the add-on to URL add-on to install. Once it must have installed, scroll up and click on install from repository. Now scroll down and click on Diggz repository. Then at this point, you have to scroll down and click on program add-ons. And once you get here, click on Chef Omega Wizard. Then at this point, scroll down and click on install. Then we have to wait for the whole process to initiate and complete. So as you can see, it's already completed. Chef Omega Wizard. Then once you complete it, you click on. You have to wait for it to pop up. The pop-up Chef Wizard dashboard, or you can click on open. For this case, once it pop up, click close. Then click Chef Omega Wizard. Then at this point, you have to either you can click yes to continue or no, but in my case I'm gonna click no, so I can open it from here. Click open. It's almost something. Once you click on it, you will see it will bring you to Chef Omega Wizard menu. Here you will see build, maintenance, authorize, debrid and track, notification, video settings. So this is where you will customize your Chef Omega Wizard menu to serve you. So yeah. So this is where also you will authorize debrid. As you know, most of these builds are real debrid, which requires you to have this. This is where you can do the setup. Now let's click on build menu. Yeah. So the builds you will find here. There are tons of builds. You have the Diggz Xenon 4K, Diggz Xenon Debrid only. This the Diggz Xenon free, Diggz Xenon free. This I think this is not. This is non-debrid. These two are Debrid only. You must have Debrid account. Then this one is also part of Chess Omega Wizard. These are the builds within this particular um wizard. So let's check out the Diggz Xenon free, which is non-debrid. Then continue. This build, as you can see from the instruction, is non-debrid, which means it doesn't have debrid. Doesn't require you to have a debrid account. So I have to check it to confirm, because this is what they said. So I have to confirm it myself to make sure that this is really non-debrid build. While waiting for the whole thing to complete, if you're not to this channel, please subscribe, enable notification. If you like what we do, share with your friends, your family, your co-workers, and everybody around you. And then it's always recommended to use a VPN while accessing contents like this. VPN will safeguard your privacy and help you to bypass ISP throttling. One of the best VPN out there, you can have ISP Vanish, not VPN. This VPN comes with kill switch features. Out of them, key switch features is a very important when you are looking for a VPN. Key switch features allows VPN to reconnect immediately even if we are offline. So check out the VPN out there that you can afford, but it's recommended to use a VPN while accessing content like this. Yeah, subscribe. My videos are cool. Continue to subscribe. Yeah, subscribe. Then your thoughts, your comments are always welcome. Your good comments, your bad comments, all of them are welcome. Yeah, I'll do my best to answer most of your questions on the comment section. Then don't forget to stick around in the next video. Yeah. So guys, the build is already installed. Once I click OK now, the build will up. So see you guys in my next video.